Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Johnathon. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got for Christmas. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got for Christmas, then keep on watching. Also, just wanted to say Happy New Year's Eve. I hope everybody has a great day and ends the year off with a big bang. I hope 2022 is great to all of you. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I'm going to kind of break this up into two different parts. One is going to be regular items like housewares and regular non-luxury items. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the luxury items that I did get. I did get a lot of money and chocolates, but I'm not going to share that with you. I'm just going to show you the tangible items that I did get. So let's start off with the item number one. So item number one is going to be from my sister and her fiance. They got me some glasses. So as you guys might know, if you guys saw my new condo tour video, I did purchase a condo on my own, so I'm slowly moving in there and I'm gonna need a lot of little houseware things. So my sister got me these glasses. I can use them for like wine, I can use them for whiskey. Let me just open up one of them so you can see. So this is what it looks like in the box. And they're just like these black smoke glasses. So I absolutely love these. They're very just understated. They're not designer at all. It's just a black glass with a little bit of a tint to it, and I can use these for like whiskey, I can use these for wine, regular water, juice, whatever. I just needed some glasses so that way I can start to use them, because right now I'm using like picnic glasses and they're like plastic, so I kind of need something. But yeah, that was going to be item number one from my sister. She actually also got me these Kate Spade glasses, and they were honestly like super cute. I'm gonna share with you one. It only comes in a pack of two, but she did get these on sale, I believe from Hudson's Bay or Ashley Furniture. They do have these. I did not know Kate Spade does housewares like this, but it's just super cute. It's similar to the other one. I know this glass is like really dirty, I have to wash them. Similar to the first one that I showed you. It has like a gray undertone and like a black tint to it, so absolutely love these. So the last thing that my sister got me was this Keurig machine. So being in the pandemic, working from home for almost 2 years now, I use my parents' Keurig like there's no tomorrow. So I wanted a little one, a little mini one that has like, that makes like 1 cup and it's good for one person. So this one is an exclusive to Walmart Canada. So if you are in Canada and you want a different colored Keurig that has a 1 cup style similar to this, I highly suggest checking it out at Walmart. I'm not 100% sure on the price for a lot of these items because as I did mention, this is what I got for Christmas. But I was looking at this one in particular, and I guess my sister kind of knew that I was looking at it. And it's about only 60 Canadian dollars or about 80 Canadian dollars with tax. So absolutely love this, and I'm happy that she was actually able to get this for me. So the next item that I'm going to share with you is from my mom, and she actually got me a pair of Lululemon pants. I absolutely love Lululemon's black pants. I use them like so often for work especially. I have so many of these pairs. So I just got a plain black Lululemon pants. You can definitely dress these up or dress them down depending. Absolutely love them, and in my opinion, you can never have too many black pants in your wardrobe. They just go with everything, and they're just good for any occasion, in my opinion. So I did get pants from them as well as money, but I'm not going to share with you the money that I got. But yes, absolutely love Lululemon pants. I believe in Canada, I think my mom actually forgot to take the tag off of these, but I do purchase a lot of Lululemon pants, and I believe these are about oh, she did take the tag off, but these are about 138 Canadian dollars plus tax. Pretty expensive for pants, not gonna lie, especially from Lululemon. Actually, here's the tag right here. Yeah, so it's about 138 Canadian dollars, but they're really worth it in my opinion. They're really great investments. I think Lululemon's quality is absolutely amazing. Obviously, this is not sponsored in any way. I just really do love the quality of the product that they do sell. So my parents did get me Lululemon pants. And then my cousins did get me two things. So the first of them being this. So this is kind of like a bottle cap. I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see. But this is actually like a huge bottle cap. And it has the Audi logo. And for those of you who don't know, I do drive a 2020 Q3. So it is super fitting. I do love my Audi to death. So my cousin and my baby cousin did get this for me, as well as the other item that I'm going to share with you. And they know that I'm a car fan, and my cousin and I really bond over luxury cars. He also drives a Mercedes, and we just love German cars to death. So I really do appreciate that they got me this. I can actually hang it on my wall. It did come with a little tag here that I can actually go ahead and put it up on my wall. So I'm really excited to put this up. I'm just not too sure where I should hang it. So yeah, I absolutely love it. And I really do want to try to find something. I don't know. I'm really also a huge BMW fan. I did have a BMW before my Audi. So if I can get like the holy trinity of like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi put on my wall, I think that would be a really cute idea, especially in my bedroom. But yes, this was going to be item number 1. So item number 2 that my cousins did get me was this Louis Vuitton coffee table book. I guess they were watching my recent videos and knew that I love luxury coffee table books, and so they got me this one. And this is the Louis Vuitton book with Marc Jacobs collabs. So all of the collabs that he had done when he was creative director for Louis Vuitton is in this book. And it has like the history, it has all of the collections that he's done. It's got mementos in there. There's just so many different things in this book. It's pretty thick. And I just absolutely love coffee table books. I'm super excited to read through this to see what other things are in here. I just quickly flipped through it when I first got it, but I'm super happy. I don't have anything like this. I do have the catwalk from Louis Vuitton, but it just shows pictures. This one actually has like text and words. I'm not 100% sure as to what store they got this. I think it is exclusively only in Toronto at the Vaughan Mills store. There's a store that they said that they got this from. They did say that there is another book that they had that they were debating on getting me as well. And it was the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. So I definitely think I'm going to go back to that store and pick that up, because who doesn't love the Murakami collection? I love that collection. I really wish I was able to pick up something from that collab. But I don't unfortunately have anything. But yes, absolutely love this coffee table book. And the last 2 items that I did get for Christmas is going to be from Coach. And this is from the actual Coach boutique and not the outlet. So I did purchase one thing for myself because, you know, you gotta treat yourself every now and again. And I just wanted to have this. So fun fact, the only reason why I actually purchased one of these items was because the item that my brother and his fiance got me were actually women's. And so I don't have any shade for that. I don't mind wearing women's clothing or shoes if they don't accentuate the femininity of it. But this one I could not fit into at all because it was women's sizing. So I went to the boutique to kind of do an exchange for it. Luckily, they had the men's version and the version in my size, so I was able to exchange it. However, the men's version was a little bit cheaper, so I would have gotten a store credit. So I'm just like, might as well browse the store to see what I could possibly get. So the item that I did get for myself, I'll show you second. But the item that my brother and his fiance got me were a pair of like Coach shoes. So these are actually slippers, and I needed a pair of slippers to wear at my condo because I don't know about you guys, but in my household we wear slippers inside. Like there's so much hardwood flooring that our feet tend to hurt every time that we walk extensively. So we always just wear slippers inside rather than our like outdoor shoes. But this is the packaging. So I did get a size 9.5 in this, and it is going to be the slipper. So this is a men's slipper. It's literally just called Slipper on the Coach website, and I believe these do retail for $90 Canadian, but they were on sale. So original price was $175 and it was on sale for $90. Absolutely love these slippers. It's actually so soft on the inside, and this is kind of like their canvas. So this is what the shoe looks like. And it does have like gunmetal hardware here. So that way you can like open and close it. So that way you can have it like stretched or not if you want. Absolutely love it. And then like the detail on the side, it does say like Coach on the side here. And I think it's just pretty cute. Honestly, I absolutely love these slippers. And they're kind of like unique in my opinion. So that was the item that my brother and his fiance got me. And then the item that I got myself is gonna actually be a piece of ready-to-wear. So as you guys know, I love designer ready-to-wear, especially contemporary brands. If they're on sale, girl, you know I'm gonna get me a pair. So I saw this. Unfortunately, it wasn't on sale, but I just tried it on and I couldn't say no. And so I got the Coach crew neck in the classic brown CCs. So this actually does retail for 295 Canadian dollars, but I did have a credit because of the shoes being a little bit cheaper than the ones that my brother and his fiance got me. So I did get a little bit off, but not much, but it's okay. I wanted to get this. I absolutely love this. When I tried it on in the store, even my mom was just like, yeah, you have to buy it. So decided to pick up this for myself. And the last item, which you actually have already seen if you've been watching my channel this month, is going to be my Keep All XS. So this was kind of like my big purchase to myself this year. Absolutely love this bag. Actually only used it once before Christmas. I know I just couldn't pass up on the opportunity. So I've used this one time. I actually am going to go to the mall again today because I do want to actually pick up a couple more things from the Coach boutique. I did see a lot more other ready-to-wears that I did like, but I was with my mom, so kind of had to be a little bit good so she doesn't judge me. Mom, if you're watching, I didn't buy those items. But yeah, this was my big purchase to myself. I'm gonna be wearing this bag today. I absolutely love this bag. I think it's just really great. So that was everything that I got for Christmas. Again, I am a person who thinks it's the thought that counts. So I'm very grateful and very blessed to have everybody in my life purchase me something for Christmas. Whether it be designer or not, I am just happy that I was in your minds when you decided to give me these items. So I hope everybody had a great holiday season and are going to be able to celebrate the new year and go out with a bang. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the new year.